everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a strange thing happened and the past form of regular verbs. First we're going to read the story, The Visitor, and then we're going to answer the questions about the story. The Visitor. My name's Kit and I live near the sea. One evening, last autumn, I walked to the beach and stopped near a rock to look at the waves. Suddenly, a boy of 10 appeared. His clothes were wet and there was a silver bracelet with the letter D around his wrist. He walked towards me and his first words were, "My sister's Emmy is in trouble at Rock Point. A wave pulled her into the sea. She can't swim very well." "Did you call 999? I asked. "No, I didn't," he replied. "But you can save her. Can you come with me?" I asked and hurried to my boat. But the boy didn't answer. Suddenly, he wasn't there. Who was he? Where was he? Quickly, I pushed my boat into the sea. So do you understand the story about the boy and the other boy who was trying to help her sister? Let's go and answer the questions. Whose home is near the sea? Do you have the answer? It's Kit's home is near the sea. The second question. What time of the year was it? It was autumn. The third question. Whose clothes were wet? The boy's clothes were wet. The fourth one. Where was the letter D? Do you remember that you have this information on the story? The letter D was on the boy's bracelet. The fifth one, who was in the water and in trouble? His sister Amy was in the water and in trouble. And the last one, whose boat was it? It was Kit's boat. We will continue with the verbs, regular ones. But first, let's listen to a conversation and you should focus on the verbs that you hear.
Peter walked along the beach to the sea. He looked out at the island and decided to go there.
Why did he want to go there?
Wait, listen to the story, Jack. He stopped near the water. He listened to the wind. Suddenly, a white seabird appeared and called to him. Jack?
Was it a magic bird, Mum? Did it talk?
Yes, it did. "I can help you, Peter," it said. Peter smiled and followed the beautiful bird. Jack?
Mum?
Yes, Jack.
What happened next?
Okay, so as you heard and you saw from the story, regular verbs end in ed when they are in past simple. Let's go through some examples in affirmative, negative, and question form. Starting with the affirmative, positive ones. I walked to the beach. I stopped near a rock. I hurried to my boat. So you can see that all the verbs are regular ones, and they are with the ed in the end. So we add the ed to the verbs. Negative form: I didn't walk to the village. I didn't stop near a tree. I didn't hurry to my house. In negative form, we use the verb did, and the main verb, the regular one, goes in infinitive form, as we have did in past. And question: what did he answer? Or did you call the police? So we've got the WH question and the question with the auxiliary verb. And the answer can be yes, I did, no, I didn't. Here you can see most common regular verbs. And let's read each one. Answer, appear, arrive, ask, call, carry, cry, decide, die, drop, finish, happen, hate, help, hurry, love, listen, look, love, open, phone, play, pull, push, remember, replay, return, save, smile, start, stay, stop, study, talk, visit, wait, walk, want, watch, and work. Now, do you remember which of the verbs were in the text that we read at first? Can you underline the verbs in your book or say them if you remember? It was answer, the first one. Then it was appear. It was ask. Then call. Then hurry. Pull. Push. Replay. Stop. And walk. This is all about common regular verbs in past. And as homework, you're going to work on your workbook, page 34, exercise 1 and 2. This is all for today. See you in the next class.